This is a legacy screen recording from Camtasia Studio. It's actually just a zip file. If you rename it to zip, you can extract the raw AVI video file immediately. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's use the rename trick. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn CAMREC files. A CAMREC file is a proprietary video recording format created by older versions of Camtasia, a screen recording and video editing software. It contains the recorded screen activity, audio, and any additional elements captured during the recording session. These files are typically used for creating tutorials, presentations, and demonstrations. The CAMREC format is a container that stores video and audio streams, along with metadata about the recording session. It may include information about cursor movements, keystrokes, and annotations added during the recording. While newer versions of Camtasia use the TREC format, CAMREC files can often be imported and converted for editing. The CAMREC extension has a direct link to the TechSmith Camtasia Studio application by TechSmith. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows supports common video types, though some require extra codecs. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your CAMREC file, then click Open With. Test TechSmith Camtasia Studio if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If your CAMREC file still refuses to open, stay calm. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focus tests on these common CAMREC failure areas. First, use Camtasia. Open the file using Camtasia Studio, the required application for the recording file. Next, check version. Ensure the Camtasia version you are using is equal to or newer than the version that created the file. Finally, export to MP4. Use the software's export function to render the project as a final .mp4 video file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.